Just check out this cutaway lock. This was hand done and it is just very beautiful. You can see how straight all the cuts are and just how perfect it is. You can see right into the Bible there. You can see down into the plug. And this is just going to be a really cool tool. This lock just came in a few days ago and I've just been really distracted by it. But what we're going to do today is we're going to have another Lock Sport update, and please stay tuned for some more updates coming from this week. Thank you so much for checking out this week's Lock Sport update. This is a really fun video series that I started, and it's just a really great place for me to share some of the stuff that I've been working on, but more importantly, it is a really great place for the community to share anything they are working on, anything they'd like to celebrate, and just really anything they would just like to have a discussion started on. I highly recommend that you leave in the comments below just anything you'd like to see shared in the next Lock Sport update. I'm trying to make a video on this every single week, and I've really enjoyed the engagement, and just thank you so much for sharing all your comments. What I'd like to do is first start this Lock Sport update off with this cutaway lock that was sent to me by Noctis Motus. Noctis Motus, thank you so much for making this. This is just an incredible lock, and I'm just so happy that you were willing to make it. He makes cutaway locks for fun. He contacted me a few weeks ago and offered to make me a cutaway lock, and I accepted, and I'm just so happy that he was willing to do it. This lock is a Bravia lock, and he said this is a very common lock in Australia where he is from. And what is great about this lock is that it has two sides to it. So when I hold the lock this way, you're going to be able to get a left-sided view. And when I hold the lock this way, I'll be able to get a right-sided view. That makes it a really great lock for a left and right-handed picker. It makes it easier to film. And this is just a really well done lock. You can see how well all the cuts are. They're very straight and very clean. He was able to cut the lock so that you can see into both the Bible and the plug. This is going to be a really great lock to use for some educational videos, and I'm just so happy to have it. Noctis Motus has been willing to make me a few more cutaway locks, and I just cannot wait to continue seeing his work. He does a really great job. Noctis Motus is a very easy guy to come into contact with. He is a very nice guy, and he is always commenting in the comments and is a really nice guy to meet. If you would like to check out his channel, what I'm going to do is I'm going to put a link up on the top here. He is a really cool channel and he's worth checking out. And once again, Noctis Motus, thank you so much for making this cutaway lock, and I cannot wait to see your work in the future. He just did a really great job between making it so you can see the left and the right side, putting some grub screws in so you can top gut it to make it very easy, and this is just a really cool lock. What I'd like to share next is Gordon W. shared that he was able to finally pick his first American Lock 5200 series. That is a really great accomplishment. American locks are not easy locks to open. They are probably one of the harder low security locks, and it's just a really great skill to start to learn. What I'm going to do is I'm going to share a clip of the video of Gordon W. picking open his first American Lock 5200 series.
Thanks for coming back and checking out another of my videos. We've got an American lock in the Vise. It's the 5200 series. I've done a trade with Leon from Leon's Lock Pad for an 1100 for this 5200. Here we go. There we go. I'm really pleased with that. That's the first time I've managed to get this open. So yeah, really happy. And yeah, what can I say? That's another one out of the naughty bucket. Brilliant.
One more thing Gordon W. would like to share is he just got a really cool parcel in. He got it in from Ting Tong and Shakey J. I believe he mentioned that Shakey J is one of the people that helps run UK Lockpickers. Please correct me if I am wrong. But what I'm going to do is share a quick clip of some of the stuff he got in this week as well.
Thanks for coming back and checking out another of my videos. You might notice we're in a different position today. We're on the living room floor. That's because I've got a couple of parcels and one of them's quite a big size, so I thought I'd unpack them down here just to make sure that we get it all in shot. So the first one that's come through has come from Ting Tong, and I believe he might have sent me some challenge locks. work. Finest chocolates and truffles. Wow, all the way from the Isle of Man. Thanks for that, Ting Tong. But it is solid. And this has come from Shakey J of the UK locksport.co.uk forum. He said that he was getting rid of a load of locks, and so I thought he'd sent me an engagement ring as well, but no. So yeah, he has got loads. I really appreciate this. Big shout out to Banjax from the UK blogsport.co.uk for just giving all this away, and obviously for Shakey for sending me all this. He didn't even charge me postage. So yeah, I'm looking forward to picking these and getting these all cut up, and all these will go out to members of the community. There's another.
If you haven't already checked out Gordon W., he's a really cool guy. And what I'm going to do is I'll put a link up on the top here so you can check out his channel. He is a really cool guy and worth checking out. One more thing that I'd like to mention is I help run the Reddit page r/lockpicking. It is a really great resource and a really great community between the r/lockpicking sub and their Discord channel. It is just a really great community for you to start learning and interacting. And I'm just really proud to say that r/lockpicking is starting to approach 100,000 subs. It isn't there yet, but it has just been growing, and it will hopefully get there relatively soon. And just thank you to everyone that is subscribed to that and just makes it a wonderful community. Thank you so much for helping make that subreddit what it is today. And the one final thing that I'd like to share is HelpfulLockPicker wanted me to show a clip of a video that he made. He wanted to show the lazy way he likes to make bump keys. He is a locksmith and he has a code cutting machine, and it is just really fun to watch him be able to use a code cutting machine and just cut any key, including a bump key, within minutes. He doesn't need to hand file it, and I get quite jealous at some times. But what his plan is he's going to send over some of these bump keys to me and I will try them out. And I'm going to show you a quick clip of that video right now.
Hey everybody, we're going to make some bump keys using our HPC Blitz machine. There's videos on the right way to make bump keys. This is actually the easiest way to make them. I've got some keys here. These are from customers after you rekey their house. You know, they don't need the old keys. And so I'm going to cut these to actually send out to the HelpfulLockPicker. Not sure what he's got planned for them, but maybe some giveaways or something. So to make bump keys here, we're just going to cut all 5 positions to a 7 cut. These are quick set, and it's the deepest they go. And there's one bump key, kind of a cool one. A couple more to go here. Alright, so there's 3 of them here, and I'm sure you get the idea. I'll do the rest of these off camera, and I guess we'll talk to everybody later.
Thank you so much for checking out the HelpfulLockPicker making those bump keys. He is a really great guy. He is a really great locksmith, and he's always willing to help people out. If you haven't checked him out already, I'm going to put a link up to his channel here, and he is worth checking out and subscribing to. But either way, guys, that is all I have for you today. This has been this week's Locksport update. It has been a really great week. I am so happy to have gotten this lock in from Noctis Motus. He's a really great guy. Gordon W., congratulations again on opening up your American locks, and that was a really cool package you got in. r/lockpicking, I just can't wait to see it keep growing and seeing where it will be in 2019. It is a really great sub, and it is worth checking out. The HelpfulLockPicker, thank you for doing what you do. I am so happy to be able to get these bump keys in and try them out, and just thank you so much for your generosity. Thank you guys so much for checking out this week's Locksport update. If you guys have anything that you would like to add for next Locksport update, please leave them in the comments below. Please share anything you're excited about, any of your accomplishments, or anything you think is worth mentioning. I really enjoy trying to keep this as interactive as possible. It has been a lot of fun to do so far, and I hope to keep these updates coming. But either way, guys, thank you so much for checking out this video. If you have any questions or suggestions, please leave them in the comments below. If you enjoyed this video and you'd like to see more like it, please subscribe. As always, thank you so much for checking out this video. I hope you all have a great day, and just thank you so much for checking this out.